How to set up Outlook automatic reply out of Office. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So currently I'm on a web version, but for you a file option will be shown right beside the home section if you are on your PC or laptop, and just simply click on this option of file right beside home, and then you would be able to find the option of automatic replies. Simply select it, then select the options like you need to enable the automatic replies, then select the time that you want for that particular automatic reply, and also you can select the date. Now type the message that you want to be shown to the people for as a automatic reply, and after that just simply click on the option of OK, and this is how you would be able to set up the automatic replies for your Outlook, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.